In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix stuttering slash rubber banding in Valorant. So let's get started. Now these issues can be frustrating in Valorant, throwing off your aim and hindering your performance. Now here are some steps you can try to fix these issues. The first one is network optimization. So let's talk about network buffering. Valorant has a network buffering setting. By default, it might be set to high or moderate. Try changing it to low in the game settings. This can reduce buffering delay but might cause slight input lag for some users. Flushing your DNS cache can help resolve temporary internet hiccups. Open command prompt and enter the command and type ipconfig slash flush DNS, and then you can click enter and then restart your PC, and it's going to clear the cache. Next, you can try for looking for any background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that might be hogging bandwidth. This includes video streaming services, music players, or large downloads. If possible, connect your PC to your router using an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi connections can be more susceptible to interference and instability, leading to stuttering. Now check your internet speed. You can run a speed test using a service like Ookla Speed Test to ensure you meet the minimum recommended internet speed for Valorant. And in some cases, port forwarding specific ports used by Valorant on your router can improve connection stability. Consult your router's manual or manufacturer's website for instructions on port forwarding. Now let's talk about the in-game settings. Lowering in-game graphic settings like resolution, textures, and anti-aliasing can improve performance and reduce stuttering, especially on older or less powerful PCs. Setting a frame rate cap in the game settings menu can help prevent frame rate spikes that can contribute to stuttering. So, alright, guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.